Keith, Katie's Garage. Thanks for coming back for another video. And today we're working on the GMC Motorhome. I noticed, like right after the hurricane, that there were parts of the vent laying on the ground. So when I'm saying the vent, we had a vent, a solar powered vent that was up in the roof in the bathroom that would just slowly, there's a fan in there and it just spins all the time. Made of plastic. It, I guess, eventually got brittle, and who knows, wind, maybe something hit it. I don't know. It got destroyed. So I'm going to go up on the RV in a second, and I'll show you that. I put something over it. I'll show you what I did there. But I'm going to show you what I have to replace it. So what I have to do is I got this. Solar fan. This one is made of metal. Okay. So it will not rot away. Might rust, who knows. But it's fairly easy to install. Oh, and there's even an on-off switch for this. Oh, look. The other one didn't have an on-off switch. This one does. Cool. There's a hole already in the roof. You take this metal piece, put it in the roof. You go in from the other side. I was going to say you screw it in, but it looks like it screws down. Yeah, it screws down from this side. All right, so the opposite. Put this in from the inside. Somehow hold it, and then put these screws in it. I'm assuming it has 3 screws. I'm assuming they gave me more. I don't know if there's anything else in the box. No, there's nothing. Nothing in the box. Nothing in here. Nothing in the bag. 3 screws. Well, they're made for the nuts there. I don't know. Maybe that's all you do. But you can't just put this on. You have to put some stuff in between there. So I bought new butyl tape. And I also have some left over from last time. So I can either use this tape or I also bought this stuff, lap seal. I think the laps, you know what? I'm going to put the tape, this is what I did, now I remember. Put this on the roof, put the tape, put this on, put lap seal all around here so there's no way it can leak. So that's the deal. That's what I'm going to do. Let's just look real quick. This tells you how to drill it all. There's a battery. Which one did your purchase? Power battery. Okay, so it's going to go, after the sun goes down, it still goes on battery. I don't know if the battery's replaceable, but okay, anyway. Alright, let's go up on the roof here. I got some tools. I don't know exactly what I need, but here we go. This thing needs some work. Look at this. Here too. It's been sitting for a little while. Alright, so this is what we got. I taped a oil pan up on top of here, cover the hole. Let me get this off and we'll see what we got. Alright, this is what we got here. Look at this, look how brittle this is. So I gotta get this goop off here. underneath the scoop. There we go. Is it gonna go? No. It wasn't gonna be that easy. I guess I'll just go around it like this. Yeah, see, there's some little screws. Alright, got the light off. I gotta go back down and get some screws to get this off. Alright, I took these however many screws are off. I'll take this off. So that's the butyl tape. Alright, let's scrape this off best I can. I'm just going to be putting more tape on it. It looks like whatever was here before was riveted in. Alright, here we go. I'm just going to take this and put it down there. Where do I want that? If I put the switch there. Anyway. And just screw it down. This thing's held together. I'm going to screw it. It's going to hold it in with 3. I'm going to put the tape and then the goop around it. That should hold it. I thought maybe I can take this plastic piece off and slide it in here somehow, which I probably can, but if you look, it's got these little things here. It's got this risen part here, which would all have to be cut out of the metal of the roof, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to get this to where I think it needs to go. I'm going to put tape around. Actually, I'm just going to put the tape around. I'm going to put the tape around here, put it where I think it needs to go, screw this to 3 screws. I just got some regular sheet metal screws, and then put the lap seal all around it. That's what I'm going to do. Which, I don't know. I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to go inside and see if it looks right. Alright, it's very dark in here, but you can. This is not in the hole how I want it. How do I turn this thing off? There we go. I want it more centered. So, just move it where I want it. Alright, I'm going to move that where I want it to go. I might actually have to get a flashlight. That feels good. That seems right. Oh, no, don't turn on. Turn on after. Pull them down on it a little bit. Alright, now I'll go up there and I'll screw it down. Alright, just pressing down on it. Pocket here, I got some long screws, these 3. Hopefully they'll go all the way through. Yep. Nice. There the screw go. Alright, let's cut the top off. Let's see if it comes out. We're gonna pop it. Nope, I don't have anything to punch a hole in it. I gotta go get something to punch a hole in this. Oh, here we go. I didn't think this one had it. It does have it. Like this. There we go. Let's see if it comes. Here we go. Got this ready. It's kind of chilly. Hopefully it will flow like it's supposed to. This. It's like a cake. Alright, and then I'm also going to do this right here. I don't know if this is going to leak or what, but I'm going to do that there too. Alright, there we go. Gooped on there. Gooped a whole bunch on here. I'm just thinking of something. This is supposed to be a vent. How's the air coming out? I might have screwed up. Oh, well, I might have screwed this up. How's the air getting out? I sealed everything up. Well, I can't do anything about it now. I'm gonna have to wait until it dries. Oh my god. I bet you I was supposed to take this metal piece off, put the stuff around it, and then put this piece back on, and that will have a little bit of an air gap. Now there's no way for air to get out. All right, well, to be continued, I guess. All right, well, guys, I think I messed that thing up. I don't know what my next plan of attack is going to be. I think what I might do is turn the fan on. The fan works, but is it really blowing air out? I don't know. I think what I'm going to do is once that stuff dries, I think once that lap sealant dries, I'm going to go back up there. I'm just going to cut around a little bit where the air should be coming out, and I'll cut around there. This way the air will come out. And if that doesn't work, the lap sealant is fairly easy to take off, so I could take it off and redo it, or buy another one. That thing was that expensive. And now that I did this one, you know, maybe do it a different way. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you learn maybe from my mistake and my screw up, and you won't do what I just did, or maybe I did the right thing and it'll work out in the end. I don't know. I'm gonna have to wait for that stuff to dry and then see what I do. Alrighty, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.